to welcome you all to your 50th reunion.
Oh.
I'm really excited to be up here with Bob Allen for obvious reasons. I brought our class picture.
I don't know.
Not sure if Bob can even read what it says at the bottom. It was taken in 1959. That's when Bob and I first found each other. Mrs. Brabazon's class, 1959. And we've been friends ever since then.
Yeah.
Tony Cable, where are you? I loved what you said on Facebook. Get back where you belong. I think we feel that today. It really feels good to be back at the school and to be with all of our friends. Don't you feel like you're 18 again?
No. Definitely not. 12.
We have a lot of people
Sort of
to thank
regressing
for
now.
this afternoon. Aaron Parker, the principal of Vic High, has made this possible for us to be in here. We started before the school day finished. It's a very busy time at Vic High, as you can imagine. They just had their grad. Aaron's looking a little tired, but he came in to say hi and wish us all well. I don't think we'll see him again this afternoon until we get up to the attic. He'll be up there to greet us and help us. We do. That is an excellent question, Ken. And Eric Earl, he has his hand up. He's got his funeral tie on and his best white shirt. He's got 2 elevator keys. There's only 1 elevator, though. It's a skill test here.
One take you to heaven, Aaron?
We'll leave you in his excellent hands. He'll get you up there. And Eric knows the school very well. He volunteers in the archives quite a lot. And worked with another Vic High grad on producing a wonderful video and pictures of the school that we'll be able to access online.
You're so good.
Let's see. At the back, I see some students on this. 50 years from now, girls, you'll be up here. Up in the sound booth is Ethan Cruz. He's done a great job. He flew out of nowhere, got the podium, the mics, the sound system, the lights on in about 10 minutes. Ethan, when we're finished, please come down. We have a little gift to give to you. We appreciate your help very much. If he could make me look a bit younger, that will get to the gift.
It'll be foot wipes.
So the leadership students will be taking us on our tour shortly, and we'd like to thank their teacher, Nikki Lowe, for arranging that for us. Another person we need to thank is Debbie Blackie, a grad from 1967. She's opened the archives for this afternoon, and she'll welcome you as soon as we finish here. If you choose not to go on the student-led tours, Debbie is down there just waiting for some customers. We also have a self-guided tour, and we have these pamphlets up at the front. So if you prefer to go on your own, come and get one of these from the front. So Debbie will be down in the archives until 3:15, and I'm encouraging her to come over to the Fernwood as a thank you. After 3 o'clock, please not before, the Fernwood is welcoming you. Just after 3, between 3 and 3:15, we're welcome to go into the back room. Unfortunately, it's only the people that have a little beer glass on your name tag. You've indicated that you can come. We're at maximum numbers of there. So you have to identify yourself, and Joanne will be at the door just to greet you and welcome you. Joanne still has some name tags that people haven't collected yet, so if you haven't got your name label, please find Joanne. She's gone back out the door again. Oh, she's back down here. She's all over the place. She's right up at the front.
Got like that.
This is more a reminder for Pindar, but I thought you should all hear this. Tomorrow night, we're going to the Victoria Golf Club. Dinder was going to Uplands. So please come on time. We have a welcome drink for you. You get there between 5 and 5:30. After that, it's a free-for-all for the committee to finish up that welcome drink. And just another thank you to give you, Bob Allen. He's taken the lead on planning this afternoon at the school for us. He's done a great job, and he's going to take over the mic now.
Yeah, he's silent partner.
Welcome, grads, 68. My name is Bob Allen, as Mary Ann said. In the last few months, I've been wandering the halls of this amazing school, bringing back some great memories. As you move out on your tour, I hope you experience the same as I did. We will form groups of 15 or so. Each group will lead in intervals of 2 groups in different routes. So one will be going that way, one will be going that way, and then we'll all end up meeting in the attic to sign your names. And they will be led by student leaders, the 4 of them that are back there, and some of our group members will be with you. Yes, there is a number of stairs to be up to the 5th floor, so if you have any problems with stairs in that, there is an elevator. It's quite a small elevator, very slow, but we can get you to the 4th floor, and then there's another flight of stairs to the attic entrance. And that entrance in the attic is fairly low, it's about 4 feet. The door is big, but then there's a big pipe in there that you have to duck under. It's about 4 feet high, and you'll just slide under your agility of all your young people. Anyways, right now I'd like to introduce Ken Gallagher, our alumni board chairman, and the class of 68 fundraiser and silent auction guru. Ken.
Right, Kenny.
Good afternoon, everyone. I wanted so bad to be here with you guys this afternoon, but I actually flunked my first year of grade 12 in '67.
All right. Woohoo!
You might notice I'm wearing shorts today. Well, that's partly because I'm proud of my legs, which still look great.
Oh, okay. That's
But it's an
enough of
homage
that.
to Mr. K, who I had in '68 for homeroom. And it was probably around the month of May, I decided to be a rebel and wear shorts to school, for which he immediately sent me from homeroom to the principal's office. From there, I was sent home to change. Thankfully, I lived in James Bay, so
Yeah.
it took me a while to get back.
Change, Bay.
I see quite a number of us wearing shorts today, so thank you for your support. I stand before you to say a few words about our silent auction and what has formally become, as of last Monday's board meeting of the alumni, a class of 68 scholarship, which your committee is very proud to create as a legacy to our class. Our silent auction has something for everyone. If you like to eat, drink, play golf, have a weekend getaway, you'll find something. And amongst all of the other items,
He walks like an old man. Jeez.
What's that?
That's not beer. You don't want it.
there you go. Oh, Marianne, no.
No, you didn't win it, Glover. Get down.
She wants it though.
She wants it.
That's
Oh, that's
a
embarrassing.
snag by beautiful Marianne, who
Selling her soul like that.
obviously consumes enough other spirits that she retrieved that on our and your behalf. Everyone likes to get a bargain at an auction. And if you've been reading the regular communication that's been going out, which I'm sure even Marianne alleged this of me, we haven't all been keeping them. I have already communicated that we're encouraging people to bid up to full value for the 60 plus items that we have, if not beyond. If you support us in that way, we will total more than $6,000 from that silent auction. So, when you get to the Fernwood Inn, you will find, eat by first,
Bidding way more. I'm gonna buy them all. You gonna buy it all? Okay.
a catalog that looks like this, exactly like this. And I expect that there will probably be, maybe I'll put out as many are needed, but probably in the range of 15 or so. And I encourage you to thumb through those, enjoy the content, identify the half dozen or more items that you're determined to bid on or outbid others on. And all I would ask is, at the end of your time at the Fernwood, if you would just leave it behind, because there's many who will be at the event tomorrow night that aren't here today, and so I'd like to have them available to share them as well. So thank you for your support that way. Now a little bit about the scholarship. Through the silent auction donations that we've been able to accrue, and I was successful in also getting a $2,000 donation from the Royal Bank, and about what turned out to be about $500 in materials and goods from Monk Office. And those, particularly those sponsorship, what I refer to as sponsorship donations, have significantly gone into defraying the price of your registration ticket. I know $75 may seem like a lot, but I think after the end of tomorrow's evening, you'll decide that it's been a bargain, not only in terms of the friendships, but the quality of the event itself. So I would ask you to keep that in consideration as you bid on the silent auction donations. But we also are encouraging people to potentially donate a check while they're here towards the Class of 68 scholarship. And I apologize for stepping in front of all of you, but I believe I have the first check for $100 made out by myself to the scholarship fund. We have an ambitious goal over the medium term to raise a total of $25,000. And that seems somewhat daunting, but we expect 80 alumni to attend. If those 80 alumni were annually to give somewhere between $50 and $100 each over the course of the next 3 or 4 years, we'd have our $25,000, which would generate a perpetual scholarship of $1,000 a year for a deserving student. So please consider that. At tomorrow night's event, you will find this cap. It's got a nice little slot in the top, and you'll be able to deposit a check. So if you're able to help us in that way tomorrow night or in the weeks, months to come, we really appreciate it. So that's my pitch. Thank you for your support, and enjoy your weekend. Thank you.
Okay, the time has come for the tour. So if everybody wants to go in groups of maybe 3 or 4 or 5 groups, we'll see what it works up to about 15 per group. And then the student leaders will take you on the tour. It will set off probably in about 5 minutes or so. So if you want to go with friends, group up with friends, or whatever. So let's try and get 4 or 5 groups of 15 and get on our way.